A local construction site has had a series of accidents in recent weeks, but city officials say crews are allowed to continue working there. 4029's Josh Taylor has more on what they say might be the cause of these accidents. He's live and local tonight.
Well, here in Fayetteville, workers are building the View Apartments for student housing, but there have been 3 accidents on this site in the past 6 weeks. And city officials say the workers have not violated any city ordinances as far as building safety.
There are oftentimes minor violations when someone calls for an inspection, but generally those can be repaired either on the spot or very quickly.
Jeremy Pate says there was only 1 work stoppage on the View Apartments. That happened for about a month in April for fire code violations. But in May, 1 worker died when a trench he was digging collapsed, and another worker was electrocuted and died just 2 weeks ago. This morning, firefighters say a diesel tank fell off a forklift, spilling hundreds of gallons of fuel down the hillside and into a storm drain. City officials say a large job like this one, with so many workers involved, increases the likelihood for accidents.
They got a lot of workers working here in several different aspects of it. They got electricians, plumbers, construction workers, builders, and equipment operators, all kinds of different people and different skills, and it's just a big operation.
I think this one in particular just happens to be a large project, and so there are a lot of different individuals and contractors there to manage. Really, in terms of occupational safety, it's on them, and so they have to meet state guidelines and OSHA requirements for occupational safety.
And city officials say they will continue their routine inspections to make sure all of the work done here complies with all city codes and ordinances. Live tonight, Josh Taylor, 4029 News.
All right, Josh, and the 2 fatal accidents at that site are under OSHA investigation. Both are still pending.